Samsung has yet to announce the Galaxy S24, but almost all its hardware specifications and design aspects have leaked already. But there's an issue that has arisen with the S24 Ultra. According to ICE Universe, the telephoto sensor on the S24 Ultra is encountering some difficulties. The software version is almost final. The photos taken at 10x zoom are all filled with noise. It's important to be prepared for this problem for those who enjoy taking zoomed-in shots. ICE Universe further mentioned that while the 5x zoom is decent, the 10x zoom performance is disastrous. The root cause of this problem remains uncertain, as it could be related to either software or hardware. Considering that the S24 Ultra already struggles with 10x zoomed-in shots, concerns naturally arise regarding performance beyond 10x zoom. I'm particularly apprehensive about the capability of its 100x zoom function, since if even the 10x zoom isn't satisfactory, what can we expect from a magnification? Perhaps Samsung will address this issue in an update within a week's time. Additionally, there has been a change in Samsung's decision regarding the telephoto sensor used on their device. They initially planned to incorporate sensor, have now opted for IMX854 sensor instead of IMX875. This recent development has only intensified people's worries about taking detailed shots on the S24 Ultra when using levels of zoom. In addition to early hands-on images of the S24 Ultra, ICE Universe have done some observations about its display when compared to the S23 Ultra. Let's take a look at the new S24 Ultra. One striking feature is its bezel size, especially when compared to the S23 Ultra. ICE Universe has described the design of the next device as beautiful, and there's a reason behind it. For the first time on any Galaxy phone, we will witness symmetrical bezels on this model, with a very slim bezel size of just 1.5 millimeters. Comparatively speaking, if we consider the bezel, it is 40% smaller than that of the Ultra. He also confirmed that not are its sides curved, but even its corners have a curvature, providing a more premium feel when held in hand. Additionally, this particular variant showcases a titanium appearance. According to ICE, it's titanium gold. It seems like they've made quite an impact with this shade, something many of us may not have anticipated. Meanwhile, lately Samsung has been actively trademarking products not for the near future, but also for those that are expected to launch in nearly 2 years, like the Galaxy S25 or the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Additionally, Samsung has also submitted trademark applications for product categories, such as rings and AR glasses, in recent months. This trend doesn't seem to be slowing down. Our friends at Galaxy Club have come across trademark applications from Samsung across different countries. One interesting discovery is that the upcoming Galaxy S24 will reportedly be marketed as an AI phone. Sammobile previously reported exclusively on Samsung's intentions to prioritize intelligence in their flagship device, and shortly after Samsung confirmed this by announcing the Galaxy AI Experience that will debut with the S24 lineup and offer a range of AI features. To emphasize their commitment to AI technology, Samsung has applied for trademarks like AI phone and AI smartphone. However, these names may be considered generic for approval. Nevertheless, it clearly indicates how prominently AI will feature when the Galaxy S24 series is officially unveiled on January 17th in San Jose, California. So what do you all think about this AI phone from Samsung? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to stay updated by checking out our channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care. See you soon.